What is up, everybody? The Master Trader himself here from Trading Billions Academy. I'm so super excited. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every time I drop a new video. So this is our Telegram group. We just got started with a Telegram group. So ensure that you jump on the Telegram group. So this is where signals will be posted regarding that blocker. So signals will be looking like this. So ensure that if you don't know how to input these signals in your blockers trading platform, ensure that you watch this video. This video explains everything, starting from how you get signed up with a blocker and on how you can execute trades. So if you're just getting started, don't rush into really put it in a lot of money or put it in manifest. You can use a demo account. So I just want to show you on how you can do that on your phone in terms of trading using this blocker. You can make money even just using the phone. You don't need a laptop to actually trade with us. You only need a phone and to join our group. And we are not selling any signals. It's absolutely free and free and free of charge. The only thing that you have to do is just sign up using our link, which is this same link that is showing here. Here, just here. This is the link here. It's the same link that is here. So basically, that's the link that we use for you to receive our bonus, for you to receive the bonus when you get started. So this is a link. So on your phone, the only thing that you need to do is just to click on the same link, and the link will actually take you to their official website. So this is the blocker that we are using. So here you're just going to type your Gmail, your Gmail. You type in your Gmail. So this is how you open using your phone. You type in your Gmail. You type in your Gmail, you put in the password that you want to be using or that you feel you're comfortable with and you cannot forget. And we are opening using a USD account, and you click on confirm and you click on register. As simple and as straightforward as that. So the moment you register, you'll be your account, you have opened an account with this blocker. As you can see here, it's showing that I have nothing in this account. It's actually a zero USD. This is a real account. There is nothing. But like I earlier alluded, don't even be in a rush of actually trying to maybe make a deposit, or you feel maybe I'm trying to like maybe steal your money and the like. Doesn't work that way, family. So the thing that is here is that you can come here, you can come and use a demo account. So the moment you click on demo account, I hope you have seen where I went. I went up there, and this is the demo account and this is the live account. You can actually alternate. You can come on a demo account or you can come on a live account. But we are on the demo account, which simply means you have accredited your account with 10,000 USD. Yeah, they have accredited your account with 10,000 USD, which is fake money, which you can use to prove our strategies. You can use them to prove our signals. They are free of charge. I'm not charging you on any signal. I make my own money in the financial market. So there is no need of me charging you for anything. So the only thing that you have to do is just sign up and let's start printing money together. So the moment you open this account, it will request you to actually do email verification, which simply means they'll send an email to you. It will look more like that on laptop. If you can see there, you can see, if you can see there, there is an email verification message here. You can see somewhere here, there is an email verification. You just click on, you open that, and you actually do nothing but verify your email. And you just click on confirm on your Gmail, and boom, your email has been verified just like that. So that's the thing. So here, when you're done with Gmail verification, you can just come here, where you can set a person's head there, your account. You click there to do your final touches. So here to show your Gmail and to show that your account is not verified. Yes, it will show that your account is not verified. So you enter your first name, you enter your last name, your date of birth, the Gmail, the country where you're coming from, and the you enter you enter your address and you click on change identity info. The moment you click on that, there will be another thing that will come where it will request you to do your verification of your ID, where you can send your registration card, which is your national registration card or your driver's license. You can actually do that, and the verification is open. You can change your password if you want, and also you can attach your card here. So when attaching your card, like I earlier, you must watch the other video because the other video I've walked you step by step on how you go about this stuff. So on here, you just add your card. It will request you to put your card number, which is on your card, and also the expiry date and the year, and basically to ask you as well to to actually do the card verification where you're going to write on a piece of paper the date. For example, if you're watching this video today, you write today's date and you sign on the paper and you put beside the same paper you put your ID and the card and your national registration card or your driver's license which you uploaded together with the card and take one picture and send a picture. So basically that's the thing. So you can come back here where it is the trading position. So here, that's where we're going to be trading from. So, and again, if you want to make a deposit, you come here. So making a deposit, you will need to change from a demo account into your real account. So you come on your real account here, you click on your real account, and you come on deposit, you click on deposit, and if you want to use a Visa card, a MasterCard, a Visa card, so you can use this other platform. The only challenge about that is here is that if you're using a Visa card, you see, it will request you to actually verify, which I've not yet verified, in terms of, like I was explaining, like you need to attach your card. The moment you attach it to be true. But the biggest problem, maybe for some beginners, it will be the 50 USD minimum deposit. So with this blocker, you only deposit the 50 USD if you're using a Visa, which is a bank transfer. But there are so many other depositing ways you can actually use Binance payments and these other payments which are cheaper, which is only about 10 USD. From opening Binance account, I think I've made a video about it. Just check on my channel on how you can transfer from your bank to your Binance and from your Binance into the same block. So basically, that's the thing. You can use all these, or if you want, depending on the country where you're coming from, you can use e-wallets like Perfect Money. They are cheap. Then it's only 10 USD, and you are good to go. So if you at all you want to start low with a 10 USD, you can start by making a deposit using this platform. But the main essence is on how you can trade. So the thing that you have to understand is that you have to come here back, you come there and you change it to a demo because you're just getting started today with our signals. I believe you come on demo, which is there, and with to change 10,000 USD, you'll be accredited 10,000 USD, and you come on settings there, and you click there on your settings, and you change the time. Like if you have watched the other video, you know what I'm talking about. So we are changing the time to -3. This is very, very important. So the moment you change the time to -3 and you close that, it will show that we are actually right now it's at 9 a.m. Actually, it is at 9:05. If you can check here, it's at 9:05. So the timer very important. Timer, that's where we are going to be changing our time. So we are using the Brazilian time, which is now right now is at 9:05. So when it comes to timer, for example, our trades are based on time. We are only going to be we're only going to be in the market for 5 minutes. So for example, if our trades, for example, if you come in our Telegram group, if you come in a Telegram group. How am I going to do it now? Okay. For example, I think I shared also on this WhatsApp. I think I shared. Yes. So for example, this is a signal. You see, right? This is our signal here. So here on this signal, for example, it was showing that you have to enter at 1550. At 1550, you enter. It's only for 5 minutes. This is how our signals will be up or showing. So the time is -3, which is GMT, which is we have already changed to -3, which is for 5 minutes expired. So the moment it's 5 minutes, it will close for itself. But this is how you set it. So, for example, this is a currency pair that we want to trade. So you will need to change this. The currency pair, you come here, you will come on these currency pairs here. You click there. A minute. So you click here, you come here on currencies. You click there and you search for the currency itself, which was which is NZ, NZD. This is the currency pair, right? This one is the currency pair, if you can see. This one here. And the time was at 1550, but in this case, the time now is at 909. So if you want to enter a trade at 910, so this we want to enter 910. So if it's at 910, we are only going to be in the market for 5 minutes, which simply means that at 9:15 we are out of the market. So you come on your timer there and you change to, you do it a manual and you change it to 09:15. We are out of the market, you see. So at 09:15 and we are risking 100 USD, for example. So if we are risking 100 USD on this sale market, so what we are going to do is we're going to be watching on the time. We're going to be watching on the time. So ensure that you open with Chrome. Don't open directly like this. Sure that you open with Chrome. That's where I'm having a little bit of some challenges here. Okay, so for example, I just assume that it's already at that time. So timer. Okay, 9:10. You change here from timer to time. So we are closing at, we said at 9:15. At 9:15. This is 9:14. So we can just do this. Click there. 9:15. Where is 9:15? We come on manually. 9:15. Okay, so and we watch for the time. Done. Wait for the time. I don't know why it's okay. If you can see there, the time is here. It's 9:09, 37 seconds. So you make sure that the moment is 9:15, guys. Just make sure that the moment is here. The moment is 9:10. You are in. So it's only for 5 minutes. So if we place down, there is a down and there is an up. So I'll be showing in the indicator whether you should go up or down. So there we go. So ready. So we have placed a down. We have placed down here. If you can see here, this is our entry point there. So which simply means the market should close within 5 minutes on the downside. When the market closes on the upside, we have lost. When the market closes on the downside, we have won the trade. I hope we are clear over that. So the trade is closing at 9:15. So that's it. That's it. So from here, you'll see from your balance, the money will be deducted. So already we have risked 100 USD, and we should gain a 187 USD, which simply means you make about a profit of 87 USD just on one trade, guys.
just on a single one trade. So that's the thing. You can start with 100 USD, you can start with a 10 USD, you can start with any amount of money. I'm just trying to show you now we are going to be doing this. So if we say down, you place down. If we say up, you place up. Basically, that's the thing that we are going to do. So whenever it's at 9:15, it automatically closes itself. It's either you lose or you win. So what you're going to be following is our signals. Don't do your own things. Follow our signals. So basically, that's how you go about it. I hope I'm clear. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me before the session starts soon. Love you so much, and ensure that you join our Telegram group where we are going to be posting every single signal, every single signal. So ensure that you start with a demo account for a start. If at all you're not really too sure about our strategies and how you can do, if you get familiar with the platform, then you're good to go. But it's way better on the laptop than on a phone. But you can still manage even on your phone, like I've shown you. Just ensure that you use a browser like Chrome. Yeah, so that's the thing. Love you so much, the master trader himself here, and see you in profits.